Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show items table on expense and purchase forms. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and show the items table on expense and purchase forms. How do you actually go ahead about doing so on QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to do this, what you want to go ahead and do is log onto your QuickBooks account. Then you want to click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner. And then you want to click on Account and Settings. Once you click on Account and Settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Expenses and click on Expenses on the left-hand side. And then where it says Show Items Table on Expense and Purchase Forms, you want to click on the pencil icon here and then make sure that this is toggled on. Afterwards, click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and show items table on expense and purchase forms on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.